Hello, our group name is Speedy Scientists. My name is Mustafa.
My name is Muhammad Ashram.
My name is Muhammad Ammar.
And my name is Yasir Muhammad.
Firstly, people need fast and efficient transportation. So we made a small model about a speedy electric car.
Before we built the car, we researched how the car works, and we learned the electricity, and we built the body.
The materials for the car are wheels, wires, car body, switch, and battery.
First, we made a simple drawing of how to make the speedy electric car. Then one by one, we made it by steps.
Now we'll test our project.